Okay, so I'm waiting on parts for the farmhand. Kind of messed up. Uh, the brake line that goes from here to here with the pulley brake, it rubs on the back side of this. I was taking it off to glue on new brake material, and I broke it. So Brian Hodgkins is kind enough to making me another one. So that's nice of him. So tires are in Moab, Utah, so I should get those in the next day or two, get that installed. Be nice to get these on four legs, but tonight I'm going to work on the Farmhandy. There's a smell of gas coming from it, and I don't like the way that the clutch pedal feels, so we're going to tear into this and see what the problem is, and see if I can fix a couple of small issues. Make my garage not smell like gas. So I'll bring you back when we get this opened up. Okay, so we looked at it, and it is leaking fuel from the hard line. So I am going to cut the hard line farther back and run a new hose. And then my belt is loose. So this is designed to move the entire engine cradle front to back. So I am going to move the engine towards the back, tightening up the belt, just like the Jacobson tractors are designed to do that. This is designed to do that as well. So I'm going to try to get that taken care of. Okay, so we ran a new fuel line, a fuel filter, and the hard line went from all the way over here, through here, down through a grommet down here. You can see it right there. It was leaking at that hold down. So we ran all new line, and I double lined it, and then I slid the engine back. As you can see, it was barely rubbing on that. So my clutch pedal is a little bit farther down, but it fully disengages like it's supposed to. So very interesting design. So we're going to, let's see, give it some choke and see if any of my fixes worked. Like I said, this is a very good muffler. No more rubbing. You don't see any fuel leaks. Clutch goes in. Low. And it stops. Go into reverse. Stops. Sorry, there's so many neutrals on this machine. I call that a win. So I have two amp gauges coming. For some reason this one's got a 60 on it, and most of these only have 15 amp charging systems on it. So I bought two 20s because I want one for this and on that. No, I call that good. I still gotta find tires. And then I'm hoping V61s come up for sale again. Because I would love to put a V61 on front, but no, that is what I call a successful little evening working on the farmhand. It's actually pretty easy to work on. So, thanks for watching.